Eat it!
Hello, everybody!
Hello, everybody! I'm Barack O'Ducky. It's American Week again. Look at this! Ha-ha! American style mac and bacon. 1.5% bacon. These are 156 grams, so 1% is 1 gram of bacon. Maybe 1.5 grams. American cuisine. Here we've got our microwavable Tupperware. And now, this is how it looks like. So American. We add a little water. It looks good. Please recycle. We close the lid. Open the air vent. And into the microwave with this. Let's see what we have done. Steaming hot. Welcome, American food, to a German plate. Hey, buddy! I am not so sure. It is hot, all right? It's so American. It needs tomato ketchup. Yeehaw! Cheese and mac. Or is it called mac and cheese? Good ketchup. Bye for now.